Where is a Sunny? Sunny? Okay, come on, let's move her. Okay. Are you ready? Okay. Where is a dolphin? Okay. 1 point, 1 point. Okay. Another one. Okay. Where is a Sunny? Sunny? Okay. 1 point for Suki 1. Okay, go. We want 2 points. Okay. Okay. Sit down, sit down. Okay. Where is a Windy? Windy. Okay. Big fun. Okay. You can start for the Suki 1. Okay. Okay, you. Okay. Okay. Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay. Where is a what is this? What is this? Windy. What is that? Dolphin. What is that? Cat. What is that? Sunny. Okay.